Hello, my name is Isabel Tech, and this is part 2 of my project, Better Emotion Detection Than Humans. In this version, I expand my work on High Potential 2024 Remix TV show, and expand my work by building a more advanced AI system that analyzes emotions using multiple inputs, including text, tone, and context, as well as scenes. Project Overview. The goal of this project is to improve emotion detection by combining multiple AI tools instead of instead of relying on just one. By doing this, the systems can be better understand complex emotions and provide more accurate results. In this slide, we look at our case study. My case study focused on High Potential 2024 Remix. My main characters and analysis will be on Morgan and Caradic and their friendship, as well as the people around them. Morgan is known for being calm, supportive, and values trust, while Caretaker is more expressive, sometimes sarcastic, and can be frustrated at times, especially when the duo together are on cases solving crime. Their relationship includes emotional depth, which makes it ideal for testing AI sedimented analysis. Now let's look into the next slide. Goals and success criteria. The goals of this project were to analyze emotions across text, tone, and context, as well as certain scenes characters and actors have displayed. By detecting complex emotions like sarcasm and frustration, as well as self-justification, and achieving around 85 to 90% accuracy. Another goal was to compare results across different AI tools to create a more complex emotional profile for this TV show. AI System Overview. My AI system worked by taking dialogue as input, processing it through multiple AI tools, and then outputting an emotional analysis. This tool contributed to a different perspective, which improved the overall accuracy of results during my finds. For this project, I used My Mood Scan, Rose Sentimental Analysis AI, and Text2 Data Sentimental Analysis AI for my project. Each of these tools help analyze sentimental and emotional tones and key patterns in text, as well as in certain scenes when the actors projected a certain emotion through their TV show. Data. For my data, I'm using meaningful dialogues as well as scenes that show different emotional situations when using my AI tools. My first quote is, "The world wasn't exactly built for people who are different." This reflects on feelings of exclusion and sadness, as well as a high isolation. My next quote is, "I wasn't tampering. I saw a problem. I tried to fix it." The show determined but also asked some frustration or defensiveness during this scene. The third quote is, "No, I hate that face, but we cannot prosecute the face." This shows a conflict between emotion and logistical thinking. These examples allow the AI to analyze deeper emotional meanings, not just surface level settlements. Results. After using these quotes into my AI tool, the results were surprisingly and also correct. For AI detects layer emotions, not just simply positive or negative results as well. For the first quote, "No, I hate that face, but we cannot prosecute the face." It showed a mixture of emotions of frustration and logistic control. However, it could not understood the problem about the logistic control completely, so it was a medium confidence on that. Where when I put my quote, the world wasn't exactly built for people who are different, it showed a negative emotion of sadness and isolation, where confidence was high on it. However, I found that it was very not understanding about this one, for I wasn't tampering, I saw a problem and I tried to fix it. Had a mixed emotion, determination, frustration, even though this scene also has a whole entire ideal emotion of self justification, which made it a medium slash high of confidence, but at the same time missed certain aspects of what we were looking for. These results show that AI can recognize layer emotions, not just simple or positive or negative ones. From my analysis, I found that AI performs very well when detecting clear emotional signals on faces, contexts, or even subtle words, such as sadness or frustration. However, when emotions are more complex, like sarcasm or even logic thinking, and emotions are combined, the AI is less accurate. For example, the third quote showed that AI can detect multiple emotions but doesn't fully understand the deeper meaning behind them. This shows that while AI is powerful, human understanding is still important. In a conclusion, this project shows that combining multiple AI tools improve emotion detections and allows for more detailed analysis. AI can detect emotion patterns quickly and accurately. However, humans still provide a more meaningful and deeper complex through only experiences they feel in life. This demonstrates that future of AI is not replacing humans, but working alongside them to better understand emotions and complex situations. Thank you for watching.